Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat due to suspicious activity. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat due to suspicious activity, you should just go to settings. Then in this page, you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that, you will enter to Snapchat and you click. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache, and in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.